So I've been mixing avocado oil into my routine, my low carb keto diet for a while. It's just another excellent fat to add to the mix, you know. I have my usual butters, my animal fats, my olive oils, and I do enjoy olive oil a lot. One of the great things about avocado oil is it has a nice high smoke point if you're cooking with it. I think it's around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has plenty of monounsaturated fats, which they say are heart healthy. And I really try to focus on the balance of my fats. You definitely need saturated fat, but you need a mixture, balanced portfolio of fats. It's not just about fats; it's about diversity of fats. And the reason I chosen is because they did a study a while back where they went over different oils and how fake they were, and chosen was one of the ones that was found to be unadulterated avocado oil. Because there's always the incentive with a lot of these companies, especially with olive oil, to water down and cut it with other inferior oils. So I really want the real thing. I don't want to pay for a fake product. I can usually get these in a glass bottle for around 50 cents an ounce. I think on sale this is around $9. They also make a plastic bottle, which you can sometimes find on sale, and it's usually much cheaper per ounce. The trade-off with the plastic is the oil might go rancid. So this bottle, if I do buy it to save on money, what I do is I put it in the fridge and I keep it in the fridge, which can be kind of inconvenient if you have a really cold fridge because it'll harden up, which isn't a huge problem because you can kind of just take the top off and just squeeze out a tablespoon to add to whatever you're using. The great thing about the glass bottle, while it is usually a little more expensive, is that you can keep it in the window. The glass actually protects the oil from becoming rancid. The flavor of avocado oil, I don't really know how to describe it. That's like saying, what does an avocado taste like? I don't know. An avocado tastes like an avocado. I guess it's a slightly nuttier, kind of buttery taste to it. Very smooth, almost a neutral. It's very neutral, to be honest with you. Whereas olive oil has that compound that I can't remember the name of that kind of burns the back of your throat. Maybe polyphenols. I can't remember the exact name of it. So it's very good balance. It doesn't really add any flavor to your food. It just adds that extra fat. I run through maybe one of the glass bottles. This will last me about 2 months. I don't use olive oil that often. I mainly use it in my afternoon snack. But it's definitely, in my opinion, worth adding to your keto regimen if you're trying to diversify your fat sources. I'm really against the seed oils. I don't touch the seed oils anymore. Any kind of canola, soybean, corn, wheat. I don't mess with any of that at all. I'm trying to keep my omega-3, omega-6 profile ratio as healthy as possible because that's a very difficult thing to do with our modern diets.